If you start working out without knowing these 5 things, you will get injured. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. Welcome back to day 2 of our 30-day Calisthenics challenge. Yesterday, 573 of you commented, "I'm in." That's insane. We're building something special here. Before we jump into exercises tomorrow, today we must cover the essentials that will keep you safe and maximize your results. Essential number 1, never skip your warm-up, ever. Your muscles are like rubber bands. When they're cold, they snap. When they're warm, they stretch. Spend just 3 to 5 minutes warming up. Arm circles, leg swings, jumping jacks. Get that blood flowing. This simple habit will prevent 90% of beginner injuries. Essential number 2, form is everything. Reps mean nothing if your form is garbage. One perfect push-up is worth more than 20 sloppy ones. Bad form leads to injuries and zero progress. Good form builds real strength and prevents pain. When you're tired and form breaks down, stop, rest, then continue with proper form. Essential number 3, start where you are, not where you think you should be. Can't do a full push-up? Start on your knees. Can't do a pull-up? Start with hangs. There's no shame in starting easy. Every expert was once a beginner. Small progress every day beats big plans that never start. Essential number 4, rest is when you actually grow stronger. Your muscles don't grow during workouts, they grow during recovery. Training 7 days a week as a beginner is a recipe for burnout and injury. Aim for 3 to 4 workout days per week when starting. Your body will thank you. Essential number 5, consistency beats intensity every single time. A short 10-minute workout done consistently will beat a brutal 2-hour session done once a month. The secret isn't doing more, it's showing up regularly. That's why we're doing this 30-day challenge, to build the habit. Let's recap quickly. Number 1, always warm up. Number 2, form over reps. Number 3, start where you are. Number 4, rest is crucial. Number 5, consistency wins. Tomorrow, day 3, we dive into your first workout, the proper warm-up routine that takes only 3 minutes. You'll learn the exact warm-up sequence I use for every single workout. If this was helpful, smash that like button. Comment day 2 done if you're still with me on this journey, and share this with someone who needs to start their fitness journey. This is day 2 of 30. Remember, small steps, big results. See you tomorrow.